Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up Gmail SMTP Server. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and log in into your Gmail account. And then you want to go ahead and click on your profile picture and click on Manage your Google account. Then it's going to take you over here into your Google account settings. Then you want to click on Security and make sure that your two-step verification is on. If it's not on, make sure you turn it on. Otherwise, it won't work. Then go ahead and click on the app or the search option right here and search for app and go ahead and click on app passwords. And here, since I don't have any app passwords, I'm going to go ahead and add SMTP as the app and then click on create. And then we have generated an app password. Make sure you keep this safe, all right? And we should be good to go. So now once we've done that, we should be good to go. Copy that. Click on Done. Right, we now have an app. This is the application to create a new app-specific password. Type in a label down below, but we should be good to go. Next, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to your SMTP page, but since I don't have one, I'm going to be using Gmail over here, and I'm going to test it. Basically, I'm going to go ahead and log into Chrome, add the extension right here. This is one of Gmail's SMTP test tools. And here you add your SMTP server. And since this is a test, I'm just simply going to use this. Add your server, smtp.gmail.com. That's going to be their server. And then add your port number over here, which is going to be 587 for me. And then for security, select SSL. And then over here, username, add in your Gmail that you're using, and then add the password right here. And then from email, which is going to be the exact same over here. And then to email address, add the email address that you want to send it to. So I'll just use this one as an example, and then click on test, and then click on send it. And here you can see it says it's auto. I forgot, you can also set it to auto. And yeah, so now it should be good to go. And here we go. So currently it was in inbox, that's why. But we have it right here, SMTP test from the smrp.gmail.com from this email. And now it works. So there you have it. After that, you can go ahead and set it up on your own website or your own server, whatever. But yeah, it's as simple as that. So that's basically how you can set up Gmail SMTP Server. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.